This video outlines my number one strategy for successful meetings with parents, especially if the student we're talking about is struggling in school. I learned this tip from a cooperating teacher I worked with many, many years ago, and it is something I still use to this day for every meeting I have with parents, especially when the child is struggling in school. Hi, I'm Maria Howard. I have worked closely with students with a variety of learning challenges, from ADHD and anxiety to expressive language deficits and dyslexia, working memory challenges, and executive functioning challenges. I've attended many, many meetings with concerned and even very anxious parents whose children are struggling in school, sometimes even failing a subject or subjects. Are you ready? Here it is, my number one strategy for successful meetings with parents. I want you, every time you meet with parents, to always start with strengths, especially when the student struggles with school. I repeat, always start with student strengths. Too often we can lose sight of the whole student when we focus only on what they can't do. You are going to want to get to any problems, challenges, or concerns first thing, and parents will also want to hear about these problems, challenges, and concerns first thing, because those are the things that you are all most worried about. It makes sense that you want to address them. There is an urgency there. But you can't get much done in a meeting with parents if you don't have parent buy-in. They need to trust you and know that you get their child, that you see their most precious possession is having unique characteristics, who isn't just their struggles with school, but who has gifts and strengths, who is not their behavioral issues or their learning challenges. There is often a moment in conferences where I know I have won parents over with this strategy, when I see them smile or even laugh in recognition of a detail I provided them about their child. I've seen very closed off, guarded parents soften and warm as soon as I shared these details, because it was really clear to them that I knew their child well. And it's not uncommon the next day that the child will come in and will also be warmer and friendlier toward you, because the parents went home and said, "Oh, Miss Howard is so nice. She really understands you. She really knows you and likes you." That's going to trickle down to the student and actually shift the child's behavior too. It is undocumented, but this tip has changed lives, mostly my own. I'm hoping that by telling you about this strategy, it will also change your life too. Thanks for watching this far. If you'd like to learn more about remote learning strategies, particularly teaching math remotely, make sure you check out these two videos.